Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making one of my favorite drinks, this delicious hot pink Hibiscus Kombucha. And unlike other kombuchas where you add flavoring after, this recipe is really cool because instead of using tea, you're using 100% hibiscus. And if you want to see even more recipes for kombucha and other fermentation projects, please subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon, and you'll get alerts every time we come out with a video. Now let's get started on this kombucha. To start, bring 1 quart of water to a boil. There you go. Now turn off heat and add a ½ cup of sugar and then stir to dissolve. Stir, 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 stir. And done. Add 1 cup of hibiscus and let steep. Get mesmerized by the swirling colors. Steep, steep, steep. Just let it steep until it cools down to room temperature. And because we're changing the actual base of our kombucha, we're going to brew it as a separate batch so that we don't alter anything about the green tea kombucha that we love and drink all week long. To start a new batch, we take off a layer of our SCOBY, a little bit of the starter, and then move it to a whole new vessel. This method's also really great if you're switching over from black tea to green tea or vice versa. Once cool, transfer into your fermentation jar and strain out all the hibiscus. Top with cool water. And then add a ½ cup kombucha and your SCOBY. Ferment for 7 to 10 days. And if you want to see even more recipes for kombucha and other fermentation projects, please subscribe to this channel, hit that bell icon, and you'll get alerts every time we come out with a video.